It's going to be hot today. What the hell? Guys, welcome back to the channel, and you can see today it is going to be hot. As a matter of fact, we have a heat index warning for today in Florida. Everything's looking beautiful. My sister is on her way from Destin, but I turned this hose on and this thing is shot. Now, this most likely happens because you're not supposed to leave pressure in the hose all the time, and my pool guy doesn't understand hoses, so this probably happened from that. But today we have a solution for that. Now, the company that made this other one is no longer selling it, of course, and they're not answering any warranty emails. So today we have this generic expandable garden hose, 100 feet, and we're going to be showing you that and unboxing it today on Supercar Street Racing. All right, we got the expandable garden hose here. We're going to be opening up, see what's inside the box. And it is a lovely blue, but this is not what I thought it was. This is like a rubberish type hose. I thought it was a actual expandable, meaning that it would shrink down, but it is not. But I think I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. They also give you this brand new sprayer nozzle. This ball hook thing made of plastic in a plastic condom. And here is the 100-foot hose, and it must still expand. And then they give you some O-rings. It must still expand quite a bit. It is rubber. Has decent reviews, not anything amazing. You can see on the end here, it has nice brass fittings on both ends. All right, let's get this thing set up and the other one removed. All right, guys, we got the new expandable hose hooked up, and you can see the new nozzle here. It did expand, and so now what happens is when you let the water out of it, you just put the thing back in my nice hose pod here, and it stores away nicely. And so here's what the pressure looks like. It is pretty good on jet. I'm going to keep that other nozzle because actually it's much higher quality than this one. This plastic one is not going to last. So I'm going to place that back in there and keep that for when this completely breaks. All right, let's get this thing wrapped up. We know it works great. And all we have to do now is just store it away. All right, before my GoPro completely overheats and uses the battery like in 5 minutes, which it always does, here is a look at the expandable hose, all nice back in the pot. It is not what I thought it was. I thought it was the ones that that use the more flexible cloth stuff. This is actually rubber, and I'm hoping that it lasts longer. And there is a look at it stored nice and fresh in the hose pod reel. And I really like the blue color as well. I forgot to mention that I got blue on purpose just to go with the blue pool. And so, yeah, so the expandable hose, so far so good. Came with some extra washers there. Don't forget to put those in, those O-rings. And it also came with this nice hook, which I don't need, so I'll probably trash. But it comes with this nice plastic hook and hose clamp, which you can double as a hair tie. And it is 10 o'clock and almost time to go hit up the thrift store and Cliff's and get some groceries because my sister is coming in today. But after this, we're going to show you some options online for expandable hoses and how to get this one here. Guys, welcome back to the beautiful 4K production studio at Supercar Street Racing, and we are so glad to have you guys with us today. We're so grateful for the support you guys show the channel and buying everything through our links. Even if you don't need to buy this hose, click through the link anyway and buy anything you want from Amazon, and we get a small amount of revenue from that. But what we are here today for is this 100-foot garden hose that you see right here on the screen. It is $45, so it is 8% off right now for the blue one, and it is available on Prime today. And if you see right here right now, it has 10 different spray patterns on this included little nozzle here, and also here it shows you that it has a 3-layer construction, and it has a what is it called? Burating resistant outer layer, whatever that means. Water resistant middle layer and a natural inner layer. And then here it shows you that it expands to 2 times its length when it does have water in it, and we verified that. It has really nice brass fittings on the end with a little on-off thing there, valve. And it shows you that it's tangle free, and it says 4.1 pounds for the whole thing. It is multi-purpose, you know, I mean, like you needed a graphic to see that it was multi-purpose. You can use your hose, whatever you want to use your hose for, please use it for. But yeah, that's just this type of hose is a rubberized hose that expands, and there are ones that are cloth, and I did lose 3 of those out of the 4 that I have, so those did not last, and the lifetime warranty is absolutely rubbish because they have not replied at all to my emails. But if we go up here and we look for some other expandable hose, expandable garden hose, we can take a look at some of those. And you see here there are some metal ones, and this is kind of what I had before but from a different company, and this one is flexible and cloth, so it's a little bit different on how this works. And this particular brand I did not have. It's got a 4.2 rating. Mine are completely gone. They don't even make them anymore or sell them. Mine are the Fit Life, and I do not see those, but I see the metal ones from the Fit Life now. So you can spend anywhere from like $40 all the way up to $100 on your garden hose, but you can get these for $45 right now, and I would say as of right now that is a pretty good deal for this hose. You could see by the video there we have it right out back by the pool, and we have another hose on the side of the house that has not burst yet, but we hardly ever use that one, and I have a feeling that one day when we start using it, it probably will burst. So guys, I really appreciate you tuning in today. We appreciate you clicking through our links and enjoying all our videos. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel greatly. And we will see you guys next time on Supercar Street Racing.